This quick and efficient recipe can help you achieve cleaner, whiter teeth with just a couple of minutes of use. Enjoy your brighter smile. Please subscribe and support our channel. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you a natural recipe to remove tartar and whiten teeth right at home, using simple ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Say goodbye to costly dental procedures and hello to a brighter, healthier smile, the natural way. So join us as we embark on this journey to achieve a radiant smile the natural way. Stay tuned for our step-by-step guide on how to create and use this DIY recipe for optimal oral hygiene and confidence in your smile. First up, we have turmeric, a golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Turmeric not only helps to combat tartar buildup, but also gently lifts surface stains, leaving your teeth looking noticeably whiter. We'll explore the powerful properties of clove, known for its antibacterial and analgesic qualities, making it an excellent ingredient for combating tartar buildup and soothing gum inflammation. After that, we'll incorporate salt, a natural abrasive that aids in scrubbing away plaque and tartar, while also balancing the pH levels in your mouth for a fresher breath. And last but not least, we'll introduce baking soda, another kitchen staple with fantastic teeth whitening properties. Baking soda helps to neutralize acids in the mouth, reduce plaque formation, and gently polish away stains for a noticeably whiter smile. Sure, here are 3 natural recipes for removing tartar and whitening teeth using turmeric, baking soda, clove oil, and salt. Recipe 1. Turmeric and baking soda paste. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a few drops of water. Preparation: 1. In a small bowl, mix the turmeric powder and baking soda. 2. Add a few drops of water to form a paste. Make sure the paste is not too runny. Application: 1. Dip your toothbrush into the paste. 2. Brush your teeth gently with the paste for about 2-3 minutes. 3. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. 4. Repeat this process 2-3 times a week. Benefits: turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help in reducing plaque and tartar. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that helps in whitening teeth by removing surface stains. Recipe 2. Clove oil and salt rinse. Ingredients: 1-2 teaspoons salt, 2-3 drops clove oil, 1 cup warm water. Preparation: 1. Dissolve the salt in warm water. 2. Add the clove oil to the saltwater solution and mix well. Application: 1. Swish the solution in your mouth for about 1-2 minutes. 2. Spit it out and rinse your mouth with plain water. 3. Use this rinse once daily. Benefits: clove oil has strong antibacterial properties that help in fighting oral bacteria and reducing tartar. Salt acts as a natural disinfectant and helps in soothing gums. Recipe 3. Turmeric, baking soda, and clove oil toothpaste. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1-2 teaspoons salt, 3-4 drops clove oil, a few drops of water. Preparation: 1. In a small bowl, mix turmeric powder, baking soda, and salt. 2. Add clove oil and a few drops of water to the mixture to form a thick paste. Application: 1. Use this paste as a toothpaste and brush your teeth gently for 2-3 minutes. 2. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. 3. Use this homemade toothpaste 2-3 times a week. Benefits: the combination of turmeric, baking soda, and salt helps in removing plaque and tartar. Clove oil adds antibacterial benefits and helps in maintaining oral hygiene. Regular use helps in whitening teeth and maintaining healthy gums. General tips for oral care. Be gentle when brushing with these mixtures to avoid damaging your enamel. Always rinse thoroughly to remove all traces of the homemade pastes and rinses. These natural remedies should complement, not replace, regular dental care practices, such as brushing with fluoride toothpaste, flossing, and visiting the dentist. By using these recipes, you can naturally remove tartar and whiten your teeth at home. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these into your oral care routine and share your results with us in the comments below. Enjoy your brighter, healthier smile. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below. So what you're waiting for? Join me on this oral care journey and give these recipes a try. I can't wait to hear about your teeth transformation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more natural health and beauty tips.